Hello, pioneers. Let's say pi to the moon. Let me ask you, are you tentative? Today I want to tell you how you can solve these issues. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. The pi tentative issue usually refers to problems with tentative balances in the Pi network, where mined pi is not fully available for transfer or use. This happens due to pending KYC verification. If you haven't completed or passed KYC, your mined pi remains tentative and cannot be migrated to the mainnet. Unverified referrals or team rewards. If some of your team members haven't passed KYC, the rewards you earned from them might remain tentative. Mainnet migration pending. Even if you passed KYC, your pi balance might still be in a queue for migration to the open mainnet. Technical issues. Occasionally, the Pi network system may take time to update balances, causing delays in confirming tentative pi. To resolve this, ensure you've completed KYC, checked your migration status, and updated your Pi app regularly. Do you need help with a specific issue host? Stay updated and be patient. Pi network is still in mainnet transition, so tentative balances will clear as users complete KYC and migrations progress. If you've done all these and still face issues, you may need to wait for Pi network's next migration batch. Let me know if you need help checking your specific situation. How to solve the issue. Experiencing a tentative status in your Pi network KYC, know your customer, verification can be concerning. This status often indicates that additional verification steps are required to fully confirm your identity. To address this issue, consider the following steps. Verify all account information. Email verification. Ensure that your email address is verified within the Pi network app. Phone number verification. Confirm that your phone number is correctly linked and verified. Facebook verification. If you've connected your Facebook account, make sure it's properly verified. Update your password. Navigate to your profile settings in the Pi network app. Choose the option to change your password. Follow the prompts to set a new password. After updating, log out and then log back into the app. Many users have reported that updating their password has resolved the tentative KYC status promptly. Be patient. After completing the above steps, it may take some time for the system to process the changes. Regularly check your KYC status in the app for updates. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Pi network support channels for further assistance. For a visual guide on resolving the tentative KYC status, you might find this video helpful. Does people in tentative allowed in open mainnet? No, people with a tentative KYC status are not allowed to migrate to the open mainnet in the Pi network. The tentative status means that your KYC verification is not fully approved yet, so your account remains restricted from mainnet migration and transactions. To be eligible for open mainnet, you need a fully verified KYC status and must have completed all necessary migration steps. If you're stuck in tentative KYC, try updating your account details, like resetting your password or waiting for further verification. Advice. If your Pi network KYC status is tentative, here's what you can do to improve your chances of getting fully verified and gaining access to the open mainnet. 1. Check and verify your information. Ensure all details match. Your submitted documents should match your Pi network account name. Any discrepancies can lead to tentative status. Verify your phone number and email. If not done already, confirm them in the Pi app settings. Check your ID quality. If the image was unclear, it might cause issues. 2. Reset your password, effective fix. Many users have reported that resetting their password helped resolve the tentative KYC status. Go to Settings, change password in the app. Log out and log back in after changing it. Wait to see if your KYC status updates. 3. Be patient and keep checking. Pi network's KYC process is still rolling out, and some tentative cases resolve over time. Keep an eye on your status in the Pi app. 4. Seek support if necessary. If the status doesn't change after some time, try reaching out to Pi network support via their official community or FAQs in the app. Join Pi network forums, Reddit, Discord, Telegram, where others share updates and solutions. Thanks for working hard to solve the tentative issue. Thank you. God bless you. Remember to subscribe.